Welcome Kitchener Ford. This is a 2010 Ford F-150 FX4 package. Couple imperfections on the outside. Bumper is a little bit rusted. Tires don't look too bad. Got your step bar there. Go to the back. Rust is bubbling. Rear quarter. A little bit of rust down here as well. Has a hard tonneau cover and a spray-in liner. Reverse sensors. Rust is starting down here, hole in the cab corners and the rockers. Has the original key fob, which is working. Picture the interior. Pretty good condition. Center console. Go ahead and start it up here. Starts up very nice. No warning lights. Parking brake is on. Radio's working. Engine sounds pretty good. Not hearing any knocking.